Hello everybody, today in front of me I have REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and in this video I would like to show how you can set Opera as the default browser on this device. First of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps and notifications category, default apps. In here, choose browser app, and at the default browser app page, simply select Opera just like so. There is also the second way to do that, directly from the Opera application. So let's go ahead and open it. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for the settings, scroll the page down for a little bit, default browser, next, select Opera and set it as default browser. And that will also ultimately mean that you have successfully set Opera as the default browser on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.